Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to charge wireless mouse. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you want to charge your wireless mouse, knowing fully that there are varieties of wireless mouse, but the one I have here, it is very easy for you to charge. You're going to see the charging port right here, and you will know whether the wireless mouse is charging from an indication beneath or around the mouse. So in this case, to charge your wireless mouse, you need to get a USB that fits in this case, I'm going to use Type-C for my wireless mouse. Just go ahead and fit in the Type-C into the port, and instantly you should see the light here indicating that your wireless mouse is charging. You can see the wireless mouse is turned on now. If you turn it off, you're going to see an indicating light here indicating that the wireless mouse is charging. And when the wireless mouse is full, the indicator light will turn off, and then you can confirm that the wireless mouse is fully charged. So that is exactly how to charge your wireless mouse. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.